So we're live for live stream 416. And we're seeing silver down 9%, gold down 2+%. I had a big sell off here in the old gold. So seeing a move down almost $200. How you doing, Heath? Didn't expect me to join so fast, did you? No, I did not. I did not. I literally just hit stream live. You must have hacked me computer, mate. I just saw the corner of my eye, the comment. I thought, hold on a second here. How's that happen? I didn't realize YouTube notifications. How are you doing? Well, I've just started. The thing is, I was thinking of having the day off, and then I just kept getting notifications telling me 30,000 contracts being traded on ES on a 5-minute. And then he told me the range on gold has been above 200. I thought, well, that's pretty volatile. And also had NQ go up above 500 points in the day. So I was getting all of these alerts. So I thought, what's going on in these markets? Let's go have a look. Lol, I kept missing streams, so I turned on notifications. I didn't realize YouTube notifications work that well. That's good. I kept missing notifications. Also, I have a gift for you. A gift. I think these candles are too big. Maybe not. A gift? Is it I imagine, is it an indicator? Oh, you know what? I did see, what they call Atas did put out a video on their YouTube. You know Fabio Valentini? Yep, I'm aware of him. See. Are we done for shorts for the day? Oh, this tracks time. Okay. It's near the low of day. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh, these candles are huge. Fuck, these candles are huge. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Oh no. He uploaded a 40-minute long video. Flow guide. YouTube channel. Damn. Oh, this is huge. This is huge. Golly. It's a lot more volatile than I thought. The problem is, leave it where it is. Yeah, we'll leave it where it is. Forget stopped out, so be it. 40-minute video, let's go have a look. I should be subscribed to him, so why is it not on my stream? Guess more downside is on the cards. Guess more downside is on the cards. Why is it not on my home screen? Gonna lose 113. Golly. Seeing our friends over at Gold selling. On volume as well. Oh, let's see. Let's go. Hold on. There we go. Stopped out. There we go. Fabio Valentini. Fabio. What did I subscribe to on my other channel? The joys of trading. The joys of trading. Stopped out. Anyway, it's got a 40-minute video. I'm subscribed. Why didn't I get a notification? Complete guide.
We run your prop firm challenge.
I already watched almost all of it. Let's add it to my trading playlist. Where is that? Where's my trading playlist? Ultimate trading. Let's try this again. Let's go. 232. Hey, mister, I see you're using not using zones. I'll show you the zones. I will show you the zones. This is the area I'm looking at. Oh, hold on. Wrong thing. I've got in anticipating a little bit. So I'm looking at this area through here. Gonna be stopped out again. Looks like another stop out again. Yeah. It's a lot of buying. Oh. Yeah, gonna take it out. There we go. What's going on? How am I going to be stopped out both ends now? Golly. See, it's got some interactions here, but... Oh. Ha. Pure garbage, man. Pure garbage. Pure garbage. Oh my word. Look at that. It's going to come back down as well. It's just traded through the zone. It's traded through the zone. $2.12. Looks like this is it for me. Looks like this is it. It looks like it. Guess there's no more selling. No more selling to be had. No more selling to be had. The account's pretty much gone. It's rejected add-in. It's usually a sign. It's usually a sign. 80. I wonder if I should put the stop above the high. Problem with that is What's the problem? You're drawing zones using PBD by using balances? No, actually, I actually went back to the default. I went back to looking for an area where we've had a lot of volume. So because we're near the low of day here, I was using all the volume through here to go long. And then we went lower and put in volume, it started going back up. Use this area here. So I'm hoping, big old hope, that all the volume through wrong tool. All the volume through here acts as a support and price goes up. Whereas over here, I'm looking at the high volume points through here and here, using that as a resistance for it to come back down. So using this area as a support to go up and using this as a resistance to send this down. But shorting a market that's sold off as much as this has certainly has its limitations, because who's going to want to sell after you've had this great opportunity? Maybe everybody has been cleared out. I'll certainly trade this loss over here for a win over here, I'll tell you that. Oh, thing is, these instruments just trade like in a correlated way. Equities go up, so does gold. Not the trade I'm looking for. Nope, gonna be stopped out. It is what it is. It is what it is. Target hit there on out the old NQ. There it goes. About to be stopped out over on gold. There we go. There we go. Bet you I'm going to be missing something here. Point of control, of course. Of course, it's a point of control. Why would it be anything else? Why would it be anything else? How are we going to fake out the other side of value? Are we going to fake out the other side of value? Now if it accepts value above it, we can see a move to the upside. Well, it's coming back down. So maybe I take 120. I'm thinking I should target the point of control at least, but let's see if we can get the 2 to 1. Oh, I wasn't even looking at this over here. Oh my word. Look at the buyer stepping in at the POC over here. Let's put it there. Oh, come on. Where's the value? It's all the way up here. Fuck, it's retraced it. It's retraced it. Okay. Rejected value. Rejected value over here. Retesting point of control. I'm gonna be stopped out again. Joy. Maybe I should have targeted the value area high. Maybe I should have targeted the value area high. Where is the other part? Well, let's go. Rejected. Account's in some serious deficit. Hold on, I'm supposed to wait for volume to show up. I am supposed to wait. I'm supposed to wait. Guess it's going to be a short day. Yeah, price stays in value 78% of the time. I think this might be the 20%. Golly, about to be stopped out on gold. About to be stopped out on gold. I wonder what the fundamentals were to sell it off. Imagine this. Short trades getting crushed on gold. Can't even buy a winner. I'm thinking it is. See, it's building its base here higher. It seems to be building a higher base here on the old gold. Plus we're seeing this go up as well. And they've been trading pretty correlated, so this market could just range for the rest of the day right now. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, it definitely seems that we got that acceptance on gold. You know what? I'm done. Account's pretty much gone. Oh, this market could go much lower. Yeah, I noticed like 90% of the time before price enters price discovery, there's a mini P or B what forms close to one side of the value area. Yeah, we had a bit of a P here, didn't we? So within this P here, we also appear to have had a P there before we had a break to the upside. Heath, did you take any trades in crypto today, mate? Yes, I lost one and I am in two now. Okay. What instrument? Look at this thing. Oh my word. Back up to 5,000. Back up to 5,000. And here I was messing around in this 970s. Let's see. Was it XRP? No, I don't know. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I got in at the bottom on BTC. I was about to ask if it's Bitcoin. Let's go have a look at your Bitcoin. Oh, I'm using Bitcoin futures. Where's Bitcoin? Coinbase is that one. Oh, you got in at the bottom down here. Up to value area high, struggling. I am on the struggle bus, and the journey's not been fun. Oh, fingers crossed. Let's hope that we get where we're trading today. Oh, we're trading below 70. Uh-huh. Struggling near value area high. Where is this ridiculous target I've put out there? Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, right. There, that's impossible. That is impossible. 1,200 points. Get away from here. Don't be so ridiculous. Do not be so ridiculous. 1,200 points, as if. Have you ever thought about try trading like a 5 minute or something slower? Scalping is like the hardest way to trade. A 5 minute chart. I think it's because I'm a gambler, mate. I think that's what it is. I think deep down, I'm a gambler. And that's probably why I like the action of the 1 minute chart. Let's see this in a 5. Maybe that's what I should do. Maybe I should keep trading higher time frames until... Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm down 900. I'm down like 900k. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Oh yeah, BTC go up. Mate, look, we're getting a spike in the volume. Well, this account's lost, so let's go watch Bitcoin. Wonder if this is putting a short-term top. Come on, Bitcoin. There's that thing you were saying, ETH, when you have the volume on the wick. Yeah, but these buyers have to fight strong sellers now. Got above the 5,000 sellers have stepped in. Oh, kick rocks. Oh, so I'm using a 5-minute chart. I was thinking that's a bit ridiculous. Let's see. I had to lose this account. Sorry to hear that, ETH. Let's get a CDR run here. $614. Yeah, this can go lower. 3,222. Let's go cheer on ETH. What is this, Coinbase? Let's see. This is really good auto trade too. If I win, my account goes up by like 20%. Oh my god. 20% isn't bad, mate. Risk small, amount 20%. Yes, please. Certainly. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh my. Oh, we come down to the point of control and found support for this mini bounce. Are we for real right now? Can I get in? Off. I can get in. Cha. Damn it. I had enough margin to get in. Ah, okay. Didn't even realize. Oh, fuck. This is just ridiculous. What am I doing? Hmm. I'll tell you what. Um, get there. We get up to that 25 to adjust stop to break even. Get up to 90, 80, 50, adjust stop to break even. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, come on. Hope I'm not bringing bad luck to this market. Got sort of a double distribution profile going on here. Where is a double? Oh, we've got the distribution at the top. No, that's too far back. No, I'm looking at the daily profile. Let's go have a look at the daily. So I want to see price get back to the POC. Break back inside value up to the 67.29. 219. Ha, getting crushed over on my NQ and gold. We're getting crushed over here. Gold is crushing me. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, BTC. Problem with these lows are they're not dramatic enough. Still think we could see some sellers, but we'll see. Whatever the case, remember I'm on a higher time frame, so it may take a few hours. Hold on. If it's gonna take a few hours, then I can't. Nah, I'm gonna have to head away from the chart. So what I'll do is I'll leave the stream running because there is something I'm trying to work on. Sellers on BTC. Oh, we are around the value area high, but seem to be buying off the POC. Not sure how much I'll trust those. Oh my gosh, stop loss hit on gold. Golly. Let's go have a look at gold. Yeah. Look at that dramatic candle. Oh well. No, I'm asking if you meant sellers on BTC. No, I don't really see. Oh, oh wow. Bitcoin analysis predict prolonged consolidation phase for BTC. All the damn markets are correlated. Cryptos, currencies, equities, everything. Okay, now. This happens when everybody puts the same things in their portfolios. Hold on. BTC coming down to that buyer imbalance on your chart. Oh, right. Oh, I see. Right here. So now your strategy, as it gets to an imbalance, you'd look for price to get stuffed. And if it does go long. Mm-hmm. I think even trading these lower time frames is mentally draining. Let me check something. Uh, yeah, that's why I trade the higher time frame than the 1 minute. Suppose I had dreams of being a scalper. These dreams are no longer with us. It's a dream when you grow up. FS. They ask, what is your dream when you grow up? Yeah, it's quick money, but it's also the most difficult. Mate, it's not been quick money for me. It's been quick losses. It's not been quick money for me, mate. It has been consistent losses. I have to think about the next pivot. I have to think about what the next pivot's going to be. Seen enough mixed results. Seen enough mixed results. Here, let me teach you an easy strategy that works of any higher time frame, meaning 5 and up. Higher than the 1 minute, meaning 5 and up. Golly, both of them are coming back. The 1 minute's too mentally taxing as well. The strategy I've been working on to teach newer people who want to trade but don't know how. Yeah, look at it coming down to a stop. Look at Bitcoin as well. These correlated markets, man. These correlated markets. Put the daily profile. The daily profile. I've got it somewhere. I do have it on here. There it is. We are live on a daily. This is Valentine's Day, 80% off TradingView. And go to whatever time frame you want to trade. You know what, let's go with a 5. Let's go with a 5. Look at all the volume distribution at the lows. POCs at the lows. I wonder if this means more downside in the coming days. Would go into replay mode so you can see the action. Bar replay. Huh? Bar replay isn't available for this chart type. Ha! No. Limitations of TradingView. Let's go back to last week. We're in. Let's let's add profiles. HD. I'm so tired. Stop loss executed. Okay, so couldn't use that one. Okay, so let's draw on these profiles. We got this one. We got this one. We've got this one right here. This one right here. This one right here. This one right here. Okay, so targeting 1.5, 65, 70% win rate. Let's go have a look. So we came down here. See, that's a close window. So we rejected this lower zone, rejected this higher zone. Couldn't quite get to the highs. Couldn't quite head up. That's it. Oh no, that wouldn't have been that risk reward wouldn't have been right. $40. Oh, that would work. Oh my word. No, you trade just the first test of the high volume, and it doesn't have to be the previous day. I only told you to turn it on to make it simple. So while the profile's being built, while the profile is being built, You could honestly turn it on like a 4 hour, 2 hour profile if you're trading 5 minute. So a 4 hour profile, or that be a 6 period. No, it's not. If I'm using a 5 minute chart, be a 48 period. Hold on, I need to change the pause. Let's put 100 on there. Oh no. Okay. Ah. Let's put a stop loss there. Hold on. Why is it? No. No, this is moving too quick, isn't it? Why is it doing that? Huh. Oh, it's a 5 minute chart after all. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. No, I should be closing the position. There we go. You would do it with limit orders. Oh, okay. I'll buy that. Let's put a stop order right there. 24 points of range. Golly. This market's in a killer range up here. Oh, hold on. Ah, buy. And where would the sell be? That would have been stopped out. Would have been stopped out. Would have been stopped out. Huh. Ah, no. No, that's not realistic. No. Enter at one side of the high volume node, goes to the other side, and target 1 to 5. You need to look at the high volume node on the form. Price moves away from it. What's this paper trading account doing? Yeah, right. Up 177%. Yeah, right. Let's see. So what you need to do is look for a high volume node to form, then price moves away from it. Okay, so high volume node. It can be a small high volume node. All you want is for the profile to have a spike in it at that spot. Okay. Let's go. Consolidation here. Let's buy right there. Let's target 5. I'm going to be stopped out. Stopped out. Come on. There we go. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Goodness me. I need to pause that. Up 285%. Price has to move away from it if it doesn't now trade. So that trade over here was a good one because we came into it, started moving away, and I went short. So we're down here now. Let's see if we can get away and go for a long. Yeah, let's go with a long. Stop below 860. Hold on. 860. That's where the target should be. Yeah, look at that. I'll just pause it there. I almost remember when I said I made 20% while playing games with friends. Yeah, I do remember you saying that about 2-3 days ago. I'm up 371%. According to this here. Buy and hold. I was trading this strategy on the 1 minute. Look at the ridiculous profit factor, 14. That's like something you do. 14. Oh, I think you said 7 with like an 85% win rate. Golly, I'd love to have a profit factor like that. So thing with some of these trades is I have to have the margin in my account to hold through the close for these trades to actually work themselves out. Let's see. As you get more experience in trading this strategy, you'll learn the setups and look good, and the win rate will go up. So this looks like it's coming back. Let's play out. Let's see. Ah, too late. Too fucking late, man. Too late, bro. Jeez Louise, what was that? Oh my word. Such a late on the short. No, you could trade this one on the 1 minute if you wanted. I personally don't because it's stressful. I'm up 429%. Jeez Louise. Where did I get out? Goodness me, I got out just before the drop. So I went short in the morning. Was that like 7 p.m. US EST? I would have got taken out during Asia. Adverse excursion. I'm actually trying a prop firm challenge with this strategy though. Well, let me know how it goes, mate. I'm certainly hoping that it does work out for you. Oh, goodness me. You know what? Let's see. Yeah. It's this consolidation through here. Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Can't even take this long trade. Whatever. Golly. Oh my word. Yeah, that would have hit target. This area through here. Interactive with this area through here. Let's see. So 4 hour on 5 4 HP on 5 minute. Also, this strategy works in any market. Problem is these things are just too thin. Actually, let's go look at XRP. I'm gonna test you out, mate. No pressure now. I'm gonna go back. Oh, I'm gonna test you out, mate. What's a reasonable amount of XRP? It's trading at $1, so about 2 million. 22,220, 2 million. You could do like 1 to 2 hour profile on the 1 minute. So this isn't a bit of a downtrend. Let's see. Let's try XRP. Oh, hold on. Oh, crap. I wasn't ready. Fuck. Shit. Wasn't ready. Darn it. Oh, it got drawing still on my charts. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, we got a spike in. Yeah, it's too late. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Let's see if we get away from this area. You know what? Let's take a short. Looks like I'm going to be stopped out. No, looks like it's going to be longs for now. Let's go with a short. Let's go with, I'm going to be stopped out. Struggling on XRP here. No, let's take a short. And should be 96. We've come down into a high volume area. Okie dokie. Ha! Look at that. What do we want to do here? Looks like we're finding support there. Not sure if we will. 42, gonna be stopped out. Cherried in the middle of the range. Let's see. Well, let's go with that. Let's go with that. Hold on. Oh, wrong target. Wrong target. Oh, missed the short again. Damn, XRP just moves so quick. Okay, let's see if we can pick up a long here. Oh, sugar. Too f***ing quick, man. Oh, my word. Hold on, where's the target supposed to... Oh, shit. Should have hit target already. Should have hit target already. Fuck. Damn, 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 damn. Damn, 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 damn. It would have hit target already. Golly. You only trade the first retest. If it was already tested once, you don't trade it. Remember, it has to move away. If it doesn't move away, the strategy doesn't work. So this trade right here should have hit target already. I'm going to put it at break even. Because it hit the target already, so. Plus we're getting some new volume built in this area. Which would be alternative setups. Which would be alternative setup. Oh, hold on. Let's see. No. I think I'm down. I'm actually up. See that trade over there would have been great. Let's see. Let's go with a short. Probably going to be stopped out. Where does this need to go? 112. 112. Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course it goes down to target. We're up 14%. There's a high volume. Hold on. Let's pause this. There's a high volume node at your target, which is also a short trade. That would have won. Oh, this is moving too quick. I'm not even going to remember now which one that was. There was just so many trades. There would have been a high volume node at your target, which also short. Oh, it must have been a big trade. A high volume. Oh, yes, there is. It's covered over by this. Oh, let's take that off. I know what that is. That is the value areas. Hold on, where have we got the value areas here? Why is the value areas? I don't have them on here. Why are they showing? Hold on. Value area high and low. Why are they still showing? Okay, hold on. POC. Why is that not red? Oh no. Oh no. I need to go back, 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 back. So I'm gonna have to keep the chart the way it is. So we did have that point of control right there, like you were saying. The high volume node right there. Right through here. And that's where it rejected and then sold. The only indicator you need is it stretches the volume profile. Nothing else. That's all I have on here. Well, I have more than one volume profile. I have the session profile. And I've got the periodic profile. So I have two profiles. All I ask in return for this strategy is that you join my trading group as a trader when you're rich. Mate, I certainly will. I certainly will. Mate, if I develop enough discipline for it, these YouTube videos would be, yeah, turn off those value area lines. They don't need them. That's what I was thinking. They are. I was looking and I was thinking, well, hold on a second. Yeah, they're just acting like pollutants on the chart. Let's see. Where are the other value areas I've got on here? This POC should be red. There we go. Red across the board. So, Mr. Ethan, are you really setting up a trading group, mate? You don't even need those POC lines either. We just need the high volume nodes. Bam. And bam. Yes, I am. Fair enough, mate. You certainly should. How am I gonna I'll have to slow down the speed of this because there's no way I'm gonna be able to identify these freehand. I think I'm gonna have a hard time. Where am I? 14%. I think I'm gonna have a hard time without the POCs. Also, since the strategy is based on volume, it doesn't really have edge decay. Let's go with Apple. Let's go with Apple. Oh no, this is just dog. No, this is garbage. No, there's too many gaps. No, there's too many gaps there. Far too many. Heath, I tell you, mate, if I do develop enough discipline, I'll be your possibly your number one advocate. I'll definitely be talking about you like the way I see some of these YouTube gurus. Apprentices advocate for their system. Rejected. The only problem is that if there's not a lot of data, the profiles can kind of inaccurate. So I usually avoid those assets. Yeah, I was thinking that items that have assets that have gaps, like your stocks, not probably best suited. Better suited using the crypto markets that trade 24/7 and futures which trade 24/5. Sorry, 23/5, not 24/5, 23/5. You just saw an apple. Yeah, the gap, pure garbage. Pure garbage. See, this would have been the see. Where is this? Okay. Okay. Hey, so I'm going to have to cut this stream here short, mate, because I have to prepare for tomorrow. Got a interesting day in the office. JP Morgan sees Bitcoin support near 77,000. But we're trading at 69 or 65. You can also use different confluences. For example, if there's a high volume node at the level, which would also be a break and retest for support resistance, it will increase win rate. Sounds good. You have a good one. Hope you enjoy the strategy. And remember, you can trade this at any time frame, even your scary 1 minute. Mate, I don't think this is going to... there's just going to be two... I'll start the overtrading thing again. Let's exit replay mode. Let's get all the data in. Still making new lows on the day, it seems. So this is the... oh, there's a high volume node being retested and rejected. The reason the target is 1.5 hours because it covers the fees and also makes it easier since you break even with a win rate above 40. See, with this today, would have been a no trade day, really. Where were the opportunities? You know what, Heath, I'm going to head off, mate. I want to thank you again for stopping by. And Hopefully the Bitcoin trade can turn around for you if you're not already out. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day. I'm currently testing the win rate if a target was 2 to 1. And so for if its target about 91% of the time, profit factor is increased. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for having me. No problem, mate.